This feels amazing and it's very effective. Just relax. There you go.
Wow, that really does pop.
Doesn't it? Yeah, awesome. So Ryan has his kyphosis here too. See that hump there, guys? Mm-hmm. Yeah, so we're gonna reduce that hump with some adjustments. And then all the way out there, good, relax, nice and easy. There we go, that was awesome. Yes, perfect.
Yeah,
One more
Dr.
top.
Paul has taken such good care of him, and he has an excellent staff. I just recently threw out my back, and then I visited Dr. Paul the next day.
And then tell him how you couldn't walk last week.
I really had a hard time walking.
Big breath in, buddy.
I mean, I was
Let
just
it
like
out
all
there, good, relax.
hunched over
There
and
we
stuff.
go. This side. Keep on coming.
Oh, that was good, that was real good. Yeah, Don doesn't mess around.
No, I don't
He
mess
does-
around. This is amazing stuff. Come on, Hugh. Yeah, good job, Hugh. Good job. Here, big breath. Let it all the way out there. There.
Come on back with
Now
me,
let's work on your
okay?
sides, okay? Now drop foot is the low back here. So there's the issue. Give me like this one then. All right. Big breath in. Come on over here, Dennis. She might have the prettiest ears in the practice. As a matter of fact, I know you
I
have.
don't know.
Yes, you do. Yes, you do. There you go.
Oh,
Ooh,
wow.
amazing. Isn't that
Great.
cool?
Yes.
She's one of our biggest fans, Dennis.
They helped me 100% just
Yes.
in 2 weeks.
There. So we're going to adjust your hip, okay? So I'm going to roll you way over like this. And then we're just going to totally relax. Take a deep breath in. All the way out. And then right there. How was that? Good?
Yeah.
Okay, great. Now lie on this side. Like this. Excellent. Okay, we're roll you way over here. Perfect. Take a deep breath in. All the way out. Oh, excellent. Good job.
Nice.
Come on up. I'll put you right here, okay? Okay, relax. You're gonna feel some pressure right. Perfect. Awesome. Wow. Perfect. Check this out, Danielle.
What was that?
That's what you never do to your own neck.
You just did.
Yeah.
It's a smart
Never
man.
do that yourself.
You know what? I have come to the conclusion that men are just stupid.
What was that?
What?
Bubble wrap? Oh. What the
Isn't
heck?
that cool, Don?
Where'd you find out about this?
You don't mind feeling super wonderful, do you?
No, it's,
Okay, good. Okay, just checking. Just checking. Big breath in. Let it all the way out. Relax. There we go. Awesome. Take a big breath in. Let it all the way out. Relax your hips. There we go. Awesome. Good. Come on up. Let's get that neck adjusted. Now, I believe this is your favorite adjustment, isn't it? No more headaches, right? Perfect. Love it. Great. Relax your head. Ooh, amazing. Oh my gosh, that was awesome. Good stuff. Dry needling, and I'm going to tap it like that. It's in. I'm going to advance the needle.
does not hurt.
Good. Okay, so it's stopped right there. So we're actually going to turn it to get right through that tissue. Good. You doing okay, Carol? Great.
Perfect.
Good. We're going to turn it. It hit. See how it's stuck? Look at the needle bend there. So we're gonna take it out. We're gonna advance it. We're gonna take it out. And a little bit more. A little bit more. A little bit more. Advance it. Right there. We're gonna turn it to lock it in. Good. Okay. Now our second needle. Here we go. Relax your head in my hand. Just relax. Oh, amazing. Good. I'm gonna come down here to the third vertebrae on the right. Oh, excellent, good.
I wasn't ready.
That's even better, Dad.
Oh, goodness.
Oh, there we go.
Oh.
There we go.
Oh.
You're welcome, Brad. Just relax your head in my hand. Relax.
Oh.
Beautiful.
Oh,
Awesome.
good.
Yes. Let's rotate to the side. There we go. There you go. Good. Let it all the way out there. Good. Relax. Oh. Relax your shoulders. Oh, amazing.
Oh,
Relax. There we go. Dad's the most vocal. Dad is by far the most vocal.
We really hope you enjoyed this week's episode of Accelerated Health. Make sure you do the 4 things now. Comment, like, subscribe, and hit the notifications button. We'll see you next week.